Hello brother and sister, what are you doing now? Are you happy today? Now we'll study with Unit 10, page 117. Let's begin. Question and answer. Pertanyaan dan jawaban. Where were you yesterday afternoon, Bill? Di mana kamu kemarin sore, Bill? I was at the home all afternoon. Saya berada di rumah sepanjang sore. What were you doing yesterday afternoon, Paul? Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin sore, Paul? I was writing some letter to friend of mine. Saya sedang menulis surat kepada teman saya. Were you at the home all day yesterday, Betty? Apakah kamu berada di rumah sepanjang hari kemarin, Betty? I was at home all morning. Saya berada di rumah sepanjang pagi. I went out in the afternoon. Saya pergi keluar pada sore hari. What were you doing all afternoon yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan sepanjang sore kemarin? I was watching television. Saya menonton televisi. What were you doing at about 4 p.m. yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan pada jam 4 sore kemarin? I was listening to the radio at 4 o'clock. Saya mendengarkan radio pada jam 4 kemarin. What were you doing at about 10 o'clock yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan sekitar jam 10 kemarin? I was writing a letter to a friend of mine. Saya sedang menulis surat untuk teman saya. What were you doing when I call you on the telephone? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika saya menelponmu? When you call me, ketika kamu menelpon saya, I was eating dinner. Saya sedang makan malam. What were you doing when I call you yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika saya menelponmu? When you call me, ketika kamu menelpon saya, I was listening to the radio. Saya sedang mendengarkan radio. What was Mr. John doing when you saw him? Apa yang dilakukan Tuan John ketika kamu melihatnya? When I saw Mr. John, he was talking with John. Ketika saya melihat Tuan John, dia sedang berbicara dengan John. What are you doing while I was writing letter? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika saya sedang menulis surat? While you were writing letter, ketika kamu sedang menulis surat, I was reading a book. Saya sedang membaca buku. What was John doing while you were having breakfast? Apa yang John lakukan ketika kamu sedang sarapan? While we were having breakfast, ketika kita sedang sarapan, John was talking on the telephone. John sedang menelpon. Can you guess what I was doing this morning? Bisakah kamu menebak apa yang kamu lakukan? Can you guess what I was doing this morning? Bisakah kamu menebak apa yang saya lakukan pagi ini? No, I can't guess. Tidak, saya tidak bisa menebak. Please tell me, tolong beritahu saya. What was John doing yesterday afternoon? Apa yang dilakukan John kemarin sore? I can't remember what John was doing yesterday. Saya tidak ingat apa yang dilakukan John kemarin sore. I can't remember what John was doing yesterday. Saya tidak ingat apa yang dilakukan John kemarin. What Jack's address? Apa alamat Jack? I've forgotten what he said his address was. I've forgotten what he said his address was. Saya lupa apa yang dia bilang tentang alamatnya. What time did John say he had dinner last night? Jam berapa katanya John dia makan malam kemarin? Jam berapa katanya John dia makan malam tadi malam. I forgotten what time he said he had dinner. Saya lupa jam berapa dia bilang dia makan malam. Okay? Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for watching. Good luck and bye-bye. See you.